In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a navigation menu for a dedicated return/exchange page on your Shopify store. This is an effective way to enhance your customers' shopping experience by giving them easy access to essential features like returns and exchanges, which can often improve customer satisfaction and potentially increase your business retention rates. Let's dive right in. To start, we need to create the return and exchange page. Open your site editor and navigate towards the page titled at the top. Click on Pages to bring up the options related to the different pages on your site. You'll see an option to create a template. Go ahead and select that. This template will form the foundation of your return and exchange page, allowing you to customize it specifically for handling return and exchange inquiries. With that template now created, the next step is to ensure your customers can easily find it. We'll do this by adding a navigation option on your store's header menu. To begin, you need to access your Shopify admin dashboard. Here, click on Content, which will give you access to various content settings across your site. Within this section, you'll find the Menus option. Click on it and next, select Main Menu. The main menu is where all the primary navigation links of your store are housed, so it's the perfect spot to add our new item. Now, look for the Add Menu Item button and click on it. This is where we assign a name to our menu item. Choose a clear, intuitive name, something like Return and Exchange, to make it easily recognizable for your customers. Once you've named your menu item, you'll need to link it to the page you just created. In the next section, select your newly created Return and Exchange page. This ensures that when customers click on this menu item, they'll be taken directly to your dedicated page where they can start their return or exchange process. After setting up the navigation menu, it's a good idea to revisit the return and exchange page itself. Here, you can start customizing it to suit your brand's aesthetics and ensure it provides all the necessary information and instructions your customers might need. You might want to include a brief overview of your return and exchange policies, contact details, or even a form for customers to fill out, streamlining the process even further. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you've successfully created a dedicated returns exchange page on your Shopify store, complete with a navigation menu that makes it easily accessible for your customers. Implementing these steps will not only improve your store's functionality, but also enhance the overall customer experience. Happy selling!